Ever feel undervalued or overlooked at work? Like your job doesn't really fully use your skills or potential? You might be underemployed, and maybe it's holding you back. Whether you're a recent grad stuck in a role that you didn't expect, a newcomer who accepted a position beneath your experience, or just feeling like your career isn't moving forward, I'll show you how to start feeling truly valued at work, again by focusing on defining clear goals and motivation, strategically allocating your time and resources, and enjoying the process along the way. Ready to go from feeling overlooked to fully valued? Let's get started. If you're new here, hi, my name is Luki. I'm a career coach and educator with over 10 years of experience helping professionals land their dream careers, with thousands of followers on LinkedIn, and who works as the head of recruiting at a fintech. Plus, I taught career courses at local universities and colleges. On this channel, I share practical tips and insights to help you succeed in your job search and career journey. So, if you're ready to level up in your career, make sure to subscribe and stay up to date. Underemployment is when you're employed, but not fully using your skills, education, or experience. That limits your career growth, financial freedom, and personal satisfaction. Underemployment often happens when you lose your goal and/or motivation. In school, the goal was to graduate, to land that dream job at that dream company. And if you did, what now? And if you didn't, perhaps you're frustrated and beaten down by the job search, so that you don't even want to continue anymore. Or perhaps you realize that that dream job that you were looking for won't give you the satisfaction that you were looking for. All of those weigh down on you and your motivation, and you often get stuck. Your job and life are a 5, 6, 7 out of 10. Not terrible, at least you have a paycheck, but it's not fulfilling either. But not so good that we can go to work on a Monday with a smile on your face and a bit of excitement in your heart. Well, don't settle for a career that's just good enough. You deserve more. The answer? Well, a quote comes to mind. We fail because our dreams are too small. What if instead your goal was more exciting? What if your goal was more meaningful? What if your goal was to change the world? Not necessarily the entire world, maybe just your world. Take a minute to think about what that goal would be. It's really an exercise in imagination. Don't filter, don't judge your ideas, and it doesn't mean that you'll actually reach those goals. What's more important is becoming the type of person that could achieve any or all of those goals. This exercise isn't about dreaming, it's your first step out of underemployment. And if nothing comes to mind, give yourself a couple of minutes later today or later this week to do the same exercise. Write them down, find patterns, make them bigger, make them more impactful, make them more helpful for your world. Then, pick a goal. Do a 5 whys exercise, or find an accountability partner to help you on your way. Pause right now and write down 3 big career goals you've been putting off. This simple step could completely change your direction. And if you're struggling to define your career goals and motivation, then why not join the Focus Inspired Academy, which is your gym for career confidence. Go deeper into these concepts and get group coaching to help. Click the link in the description box below for a free 1-month trial for supporting the channel. One of the most important things you can do to get out of underemployment is to allocate time and resources. Now that you have a goal, allocate time every day to take one step towards that goal. Break the goal down into smaller, more manageable chunks. What can you do this year to achieve the goal? How about this month, this week, today? How about right now? For example, if your goal is a promotion, spend 15 minutes each day learning new skills relevant to your target role. Small daily actions today will transform your career in a year. The more time you can allocate, the more progress you can make. And remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Start with 15 minutes a day, turn it into 3 hours a week, change that into 3 days a month, upgrade that to 3 weeks a quarter, or even make it 3 months a year. Adding time to check in and make progress would be great as well. Is your goal for a promotion, a new job, a complete career change? How can you make that happen? And who can help you make that happen? As you rise from underemployment, consider enjoying the process. A helpful quote is, choose a job you love, and you'll never have to work a day in your life. Now, that might sound like following your passions and only doing work that you enjoy, but consider a different perspective. You may have heard the Steve Jobs commencement speech, which is often quoted as saying, "Do what you love." However, if you actually listen to the speech, he actually says, "Love what you do." It's not about finding the perfect job, but discovering how to bring passion to what you already have. No matter what you're doing, there's something good about it. That might only be 20% of the work, but if you change your focus to that 20%, your job magically gets more enjoyable. Could you job craft so that the work you enjoy is 30%, 50%, or even 80% of what you do? Could you build amazing relationships at work so that you want to go into the office on a regular basis? Could you find the meaning in your work to help give you extra motivation? If you can make the process just as enjoyable as the goal and destination, you'll be much more likely to achieve what you're aiming for. To get out of underemployment, all you need to do is set your goals and find your motivation, allocate time and resources, and enjoy the process. What do you think about the suggestions in the video? Let me know what tips you recommend in the comments or if I missed anything. And you can comment below with what's one small action you'll take today to start overcoming underemployment. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on jobs, careers, and life. And if you feel like you're not good enough, then check out this video. And if you want to be more productive, then check out this video. Until next time, be focused and stay inspired.